Okay, Guruja explains now. Fire warm, brain cold, me fix both. Night dark. Sparks leap from Gurucha fire like tiny golden fleas trying to escape taxes. Me draw big crooked circle in dirt with burnt stick. Tell tribe story of first silent war. Long ago, before phone, before bad TikTok dance, humans trade shells for meat, stones for cloth. Nice and quiet, until one chief steal more shells. Then neighbors steal back. Soon whole beach empty and everyone shout. Lesson learned, when a thing buys dinner, that same thing starts fight. Fast forward many moons. Humans build giant cities, tall banks, even taller ego. They stop throwing rocks and start throwing money. Paper bills replace stone axes, but pain same. Guru Cha squint. You think war need sword? Huh? War need only printing press and dumb idea. After World War I, countries not rest like tired mammoth. No, they grab currency like spear. Britain pound, French franc, German mark. Each leader whisper, make coin weak, sell more stuff. Cheap exports sound clever, like licking honey off hot rock. But soon every tribe copy. Price war begin and whole world smell like burned fur. Still think this bedtime story? Ha, next part make your wallet sweat like goat in sauna. World War I over, cities broken, people hungry. Smart plan would be rebuild huts and maybe hug goat. But humans say, no, let's fight with numbers. Britain pound, French franc, German mark. Each take turns getting weaker like sick deer. Economists call it competitive devaluation. Fancy name for, I kick neighbor wallet until it cries. Why? When currency weak, exports look cheap to other tribes. Foreigners buy more stuff. Leaders clap like happy seals. But clever idea rot fast. American not safe either. Kansas wheat farmer sells grain to Europe, but French baker look at weak franc and say, too pricey, monsieur. Banker in New York sip martini, watch loans shrink like old mammoth skin. Picture village yard sale where everyone scream, lower price or I bite. Soon fish sell for pebbles, meat for nothing. Nobody win, everyone cold and hungry. Guru Cha call this race to bottom of pit. Basically, nations throw invisible rocks, trade falls, inflation roars, and world economy shakes like scared rabbit. Think humans stop there? Ha, they double down like drunk hunter betting two mammoths on one rabbit. Humans think, if weak money good, weaker money better. Every country copycat like bored parrot. France slice franc. Germany print mark until paper worth less than campfire smoke. Whole villages chant cheaper, cheaper, until moon hide in shame. But cheap money not free feast. When coin lose power, prices jump like angry kangaroo. Germany 1923, wheelbarrow of paper buy one sad loaf of bread. Kids build forts from useless notes. Housewives burn marks for heat. They burn faster than wood. People rush to store twice a day before prices climb again. Guru Cha laugh, then cry. America feel heat too. Midwestern farmers watch grain price tumble while boots cost more. Detroit auto man see foreign buyers vanish because their own coins melt like snow on hot rock. Wall Street bankers sip gin but hands shake. Who repay loans if money turned to mud? Imagine neighbor cut price every sunrise until everything worthless. First you cheer, cheap fish, cheap meat. Next week you trade 3 swirls for half a carrot. That not bargain. That doom. World learn lesson? Nope. Next act even dumber, like setting mammoth on fire to stay warm. By late 1920s, the whole planet wobbled like drunk mammoth on icy pond. Nations tired of invisible rock fight, but too stubborn to stop. United States raise interest rates to protect gold stash, like building bigger fence while wolves already inside hot. Credit shrinks, trade freezes, factories cough and die. Then humans add more bad idea, giant tariffs. Smoot, Holly Act of 1930 slam door on foreign goods like angry chief. Other tribes retaliate, world trade drop by more than half. Imagine global feast where everyone brings stew, then each person flip pot and leave hungry. Soup lines snake through Detroit streets while jazz still plays on radio, mocking empty stomachs. Currency war now spread like cave flu. Nobody trusts anyone. Every tribe guard own berries. Panic become fashion. Guru Cha shake head. Big brain plan break. Big brain world. You think this nightmare finish? Next, humans chase gold like crazed raccoon. Early 1930s. Fear so thick you could carve with mammoth tusk. Britain dropped gold standard in 1931. No more promise that pound equals shiny metal. America watch, nervous. Then President Roosevelt grabbed gold from citizens in 1933. One day, jeweler polish ring. Next day, government say, hand it over. People hide coins under floorboard, whisper like squirrels guarding nuts. Paper dollar now king, gold demoted to cave trinket. Value of money shift overnight. Nations suspect each other of sneaky printing press attack. Trust crack like thin ice in spring. Moves meant to save economies also plant seeds for next giant boom boom. World War II. Guru Cha scratch beard. Humans love control until control run away. Still think only history. Grab seat. Weapon box not empty yet. Currency war not just accident. A toolkit. Leaders use devaluation, tariffs, capital controls like clubs and nets. They dam river of trade, but water always find crack. Guru Chow snort. You think numbers safe? Numbers rebel when pushed too hard. These weapons fight quiet battles. No blood on ground, only empty market stalls and angry wallets. Guru Chow waves stick. Remember, weapon you cannot see still break teeth. He points skyward. Storm fade? Maybe, but soil stay poisoned. Watch next seed grow. Even when the 1930s crawl to an end, the sickness stay in soil. Distrust between nations grow like moldy bread. Broken trade links and angry terrorists become dry when waiting for spark. Guru Chow warn, when tribes fight with coin, real spears come later. You're right, by the late 30s, leaders glare across oceans, armies march, and the next war, World War II, arrives like thunder. Currency war did not fire bullet, but it sharpened knives. Think humans learn? Oh, same dance, new drums. Think old story dead? Modern humans still dance same dumb dance. Central banks call it quantitative easing, but Guru Cha call it money magic smoke. 2008 crisis, trillions of dollars, euros, imprinted to push exports and rescue banks. Asian financial storm, 1997, Thai baht, Indonesian rupiah collapse like rotten huts. Even crypto and digital yuan join party. New shiny digital bones for same old fight. You think wallet safe? Next stampede come faster than mammoth herd. Own skills, real assets, land, things no printing press can copy. History not just old rock, it map of future mistakes. Next time you hear about digital yuan, strong dollar, or interest rate fight, remember this. Currency war quiet but deadly. No arrow fly, but wallets bleed. If leaders forget history, next crash come faster than mammoth stampede. So keep eyes open. Maybe own some real assets, land, skills, stuff that no printing press can copy.
That all. Me make more soon. You subscribe or me sad.